You pull this sleek metal finished bar out of the box and your first thought is that you definitely paid way too little for it. It has that premium weight and a clean minimalist design that makes your living room look 10 times more expensive. The separate wireless subwoofer sits there looking like a powerhouse. You do not have to run a messy cable across the floor to connect it to the main unit. This system promises a massive 300 watts of raw power. On paper, it sounds like a dream for anyone trying to escape the teeny, thin sound of standard flat-screen speakers. Setting it up is a total breeze. You just plug the bar in, let the subwoofer sync up wirelessly, and you are ready to go. It uses a high-speed audio return channel connection or Bluetooth. Even if you hate dealing with a tangled mess of cables, you will be up and running in just a few minutes. It even includes that rare tap-to-pair feature using your phone. That is a luxury you usually only see on high-end flagship models from the most expensive brands. But once you fire it up, the experience gets a little bit more complicated. The bass is definitely the star of the show. That 6.5-inch subwoofer kicks in and gives you that deep, physical rumble you want during a high-octane action movie. It fills the room with ease and makes your floor vibrate just enough to feel the impact. The system uses special digital audio processing to try and simulate a full surround sound environment. For the most part, it works well for casual watching. It gives you a much wider sense of space. However, when the action gets really intense, you start to notice some limitations. The middle frequencies and the vocals do not always have that razor-sharp clarity that you might be hoping for. Sometimes the dialogue feels a bit buried under all that heavy bass and those loud explosions. It can get a little bit muddy in the heat of the moment. You can cycle to the different built-in sound modes like movie or music. Those are really just small tweaks rather than a total fix for the overall balance. It is a classic trade-off. You are getting tons of modern features and a very high-end aesthetic for a tiny fraction of what the big-name audio brands charge. Connectivity is where this unit really punches above its weight class. You have every port you could possibly need, from optical inputs to coaxial connections. It feels like a very modern, versatile hub for your entire home entertainment setup. Some people might find the sound a little bit boxed in compared to high-fidelity speakers, but we have to keep our expectations grounded. This is for the person who just wants their movies to sound bigger and their music to feel more alive without breaking the bank. It is a massive, undeniable jump up from those built-in TV speakers. You get that cinematic thud and a much wider soundstage. If you prioritize deep, room-shaking bass and a gorgeous design over perfectly balanced vocals, this bar is a serious contender. It looks the part and it fills the space with sound. It is about finding that sweet spot between affordability and raw performance. This device lands right in the center of that zone. It is a solid upgrade that brings a lot of muscle to your movie marathons.